Hello students, Michael Sanchez here with Danny.
Hi.
This is my first video I'm doing in my basement. Since I've been married, I'm now teaching downstairs. So I got Danny with us today, and Danny actually has a little thing going with his grandma. If he plays Danny Boy really well, Grandma, I'm sure you're hearing this right now, he's going to get $25. Wow. This is like your first official paid gig.
Yeah.
Right? Alright.
Yeah.
So we're going to do it and see how it goes. And let's start from the beginning. What do you say?
Yeah.
Ready, go. Alright, very good. Good bow for everybody. Alright, thank you so much for watching.